Have you ever met a mouse who loves cheese more than anything else in the whole wide world? Well, meet Milo the Sleepy Mouse. Milo wasn't just any mouse. No. Milo was the sleepiest, cheesiest, tiniest mouse you've ever seen. Every morning, he'd stretch his little paws, yawn so wide you'd think his jaw might pop off, and tiptoe to his secret cheese stash. He had cheese hidden everywhere. Under his pillow, in his shoe, behind a stack of teacups, even in his tiny mouse backpack. Milo loved his cheese so much, he kept it all to himself. Sharing? He thought, theft. Who needs that? One sunny day, Milo's friends came over for a picnic. They opened their baskets and, oh no, they had run out of food. Milo's friends tried to eat crumbs from yesterday, and Milo twitched his little tail nervously. Maybe I could just share and nibble? But Milo loved his cheese too much. Oops! One tiny wedge slipped from Milo's paws and rolled across the floor like a little yellow rocket. Zoom! His friends giggled. Milo's tiny feet slid across the floor as he scrambled to catch it. Whoa! 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 The cheese bumped into the teacups, bounced off a tiny chair, and landed right in front of his friends. Milo froze. His friends were looking at him, smiling. And then everyone laughed. This is kind of fun. So he did something he never thought he would. He cut the cheese into tiny little pieces and passed them around. Suddenly, there were squeaks, giggles, and happy dances all around. Milo even did a little twirl. Okay, maybe a lot of twirls. Because Milo discovered something amazing. Sharing is way more fun than keeping everything to yourself. From that day on, Milo didn't just love cheese. He loved sharing cheese with friends, laughter, and smiles even more. And the moral of Milo's story? Sharing and generosity make friendships stronger and way more fun. So the next time you think, should I share? Remember Milo, the little sleepy mouse who learned that giving a little makes your heart feel full. Thanks for joining us at Tiny Wisdom Tailies. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and share this story with someone who loves cheese, or mice, or just a good laugh.